In this video, I'm going to ask you the question, does your business have a budget for cybersecurity? But before I start, don't forget to like this video, and if you've got any comments, please use the comment box below. Back in the days when I first started in IT, cybersecurity wasn't really a thing. We were more interested in getting computers to work than we were securing networks and company assets. But then something changed. Technology became such a fundamental part of every business, and today businesses rely heavily on technology to do everything. And that is when criminals spotted an opportunity. That's when they decided that robbing banks was a little bit too risky. But if they can hack into your computer network and steal money that way, well, that's both low risk and highly lucrative. And that is where the big problem is. Most computer networks that I see are still set up the old way. They're set up to work rather than be secure. And that means that your business is at risk. Now, you might have a budget for IT, so you might have put some money aside to replace all your computers. Or you might be planning on upgrading your accounting software, so you might have budgeted for that. But that's not quite what I'm talking about. Cybersecurity is different from your IT budget. Cybersecurity isn't just an IT thing, it's very much a business problem. And cybersecurity shouldn't necessarily be lumped in with your IT budget. No matter how big or small your business is, you should be sitting down each year with an IT security professional to work out the strategies that you're going to use to protect your business from cybercrime and to ensure that your business isn't one of those that we hear about who's just got hacked. Now, here are just a couple of strategies that your business could invest in to help combat cybercrime. The first one is cybersecurity training for all your staff. You've got to make sure that everybody in your business is cyber aware, and the only way you can do that is by providing them with regular training. The second strategy you could do is consider getting a cyber security certification. Something like the Cyber Essentials scheme is a great starting point for your business. If your business needs help with its cybersecurity strategy, then please feel free to get in touch with me. I help businesses of all sizes get protected and stay protected. I hope you've enjoyed this video. If you have, why not subscribe to my channel? I publish videos every week.